Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 39. In this lesson, you are going to learn some sentences that you can use in the chemist. But first, here are some new words that you may not know. Cream, cream. Medicine, medicine. Fried, fried. Chemist, chemist. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Drugstore, drugstore. Regularly, regularly. Don't forget to write your answers. Imagine you are at the chemist's. Listen to the chemist and use the ideas A to C to have conversations.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, have you got something for backache?
Yes, you can try this cream, it's very good.
Okay, great. How much should I use?
Just a small amount, twice a day.
Pause the video, write your conversations. When you've finished, click play.
Hello, can I help you?
Have you got something for a sore throat?
Yes, you can try these throat tablets. They're very good.
Okay. How many should I take?
Take one every 4 hours. Can I help you?
Yes. What have you got for a temperature?
Take these tablets. They'll soon bring your temperature down.
How often should I take them?
You can take 2 tablets twice a day. Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Have you got something for a cough?
This medicine is very good.
Okay, great. How much should I take?
Take 1 spoonful 3 times a day. Can I help you?
Yes. What have you got for sunburn?
You could try this cream. It's very good for sunburn.
Okay. How much should I use?
You can use quite a lot. It's not very strong.
Pronunciation note. In dialogue C, you saw the word often. O-F-T-E-N. This is sometimes pronounced often, sometimes often, and sometimes orphan. All of these pronunciations are acceptable. Often and often are the most common. That's all for this lesson. See you in lesson 40. Goodbye for now.